Welcome to 100 Days 100 Topic series to make your visa journey more easier. Today is day 2 and the topic are how to identify the fake offer letter and acceptance letter from any university. We heard every day many news to get फेक ऑफर लेटर्स एंड जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को फ्यूचर में टू गेट पीआर रेजिडेंट परमिट के टाइम पे बहुत सारे इश्यूज का सामना फेस करना पड़ता है. सो हियर वी आर विद हैविंग सो मेनी टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स फॉर यू टू आइडेंटिफाई सच काइंड ऑफ फेक लेटर्स. Number 1, check spellings and grammar mistakes of the letter. Number 2, verify the official domain of the website. Number 3, you can also call or email to the college directly. Number 4, visit the official website and cross-check the information. Number 5, you can also take help from the professionals who can guide you properly. If you are unsure about the letter, you can book a session with us. Be smart and keep chasing your dreams. Don't forget to like and share this video to help others. Thank you.